Hello, Internet Coin fans. We're going to open another bag of 2025 Denver, Florida American Innovation coins. I've run out. I have, on my first bag that I opened, I have probably put out 15 or so into circulation. On my Philadelphia roll, I probably put out, well, let's say 30 coins as tips. But I think I'm going to keep those. So I think we're going to break into a second bag of Denver. Denver has a mintage of total mintage of 546,250. That's reading the product limit on the good old website here of 8,050 rolls for Denver and 3,450 bags. So that comes up to a grand total of 546,250. And they don't make enough to put in the annual sets, so that's why innovation dollars don't make the cut. I believe I have prepared this to zip this open. Oh, looky there. All you got to do is pull the one string out, and so we've got that going. We're into it now. I'm going to dump some of these into my hand so I can replay. So I can show you some innovation. And hopefully most of these won't have a ton of contact marks. Generally in the fields, but these are Florida innovation dollars that have the spatial on. So, hopefully, I will get at least 30 to 35 that are contact mark free in the fields, and I'll get my cut, and then I'll probably put, if there's ones that have heavy contact marks, then I will put those out into circulation, like that big old scratch there. That big old unattractive scratch right through the field. I think there's going to be a tip made to somewhere here in Phoenix, and some of these will go into circulation, even though they're not meant for it. So if you coin roll, I thought about signing them, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to deface them. But there you be. Carrying on, having fun, getting to play with. This is my pretending they're real gold, but they are not. So I will see what I get out of those, and everybody have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.